How to review posts from other apps on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review posts from other apps on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find scroll down until you find here activity log. On your information activity category, click activity log and then click your posts, and now just click posts from other apps, and as you see here you can review your posts from other apps on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.